Here's part 6 of the Haitian bakery series, where we're baking and making some of the goodies that you'd typically find in a Haitian bakery. Let's make some Kasav, also known as cassava bread. Here's a detailed recipe, so make sure you save this video for later. Cassava bread is made from manioc, which you can find at almost any supermarket. First, we're gonna cut and peel off the skin. Easiest way to do this is use your knife and lift up the skin. Then wash off all the sticky residue and add to a food processor with cold water. But traditionally in Haiti, you would grate the manioc, then blend until the mixture is soft and bulky. Now it's time to strain the mixture with a moist cheesecloth. Then fold it horizontally and add a few spoons of the blended manioc to the center. Then seal the mixture in the cheesecloth and roll up each end. And slowly press, squeeze, and wring the liquid through the cloth. Now allow this mixture to sit to the side for at least 10 minutes. And if you squeezed enough and correctly, the remaining cassava should look like grated Parmesan. Now add some salt and mix thoroughly with your hand. After a few minutes, we're going to drain the cassava juice. Now all of the yellow liquid will lift, leaving behind a heavier white liquid. This is known as the amidon, and it's the most important part of making cassava bread. Scrape all of this amidon, then break it apart and add it to the dry cassava. The amidon is what causes the cassava bread to stick together. And now it's time to cook the bread. Now on medium heat, sift in the cassava mixture like this. Make sure you evenly distribute the mixture all over the pan and use the back of your knuckles to press in the cassava. Now if you wanted to make sweet cassava bread, grate some fresh coconut and add it onto this layer. Now allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes and cover the pan for crispy bread, or cook uncovered for soft bread. Once the edges start to curl up, flip the cassava bread over. Allow this to cook for a few more minutes, then remove from the heat. Then let this cool off for a few minutes so that it doesn't fall apart right away. And when the bread is room temperature, it's ready. Then pair this with the peanut butter or jam that we made in part 4 and 5 of this series. And in the end, you should have something that looks like this.